Hi guys, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I really had to think about that because I've been gone so long I almost forgot my opening. So anyway, hi guys. So it's getting close to Christmas and we have a ladies night out, and about 12 of us ladies that we all live in the same subdivision. We're gonna get together. We get together once a month and play cards, but at Christmas we're going to go out to dinner and we exchange gifts, but I want to give them something a little more. And y'all know me on my channel, I give all the time. So now I'm going to give these ladies 3 cards each, and they're going to be like emergency cards. I already showed you in my last video the Anna Griffin. I'm going to give them one of those really nice Anna Griffin pop-up cards, one like this for emergency, and then I'm going to give them other cards. So let's just show you my project share. And actually I'm like, oh, do I make all these cards? That's a lot. And I thought, oh wait, Stampin' Up. I buy Stampin' Up kits once a month. Misty Blackburn is my rep, and I'll give you her link down below. But I think I pay $20 a month for this box of kits, and it's called Paper Pumpkin. And I'm like, wait, I'll make some of those. And I have like 15 boxes, and just now sat down and said, wow, they have everything you need. Had a chance to open them, enjoy them, and had a really fun time. It took like an hour to do each box, so that was fun. And you get between 8 and 12. So let's get started. So I'm gonna show you the cards. They're all the same. All 4 of these are the same, and 4 these are 8. And it came with some more stuff, but I'm going to keep that for myself. But I'm going to give these. So this one was, see, this is the box, and this one was March of 2018. And look how cute that is, you know. And you know, you can make this yourself at home. You cut cardstock in half and everything. So I'm going to have these. I'm going to separate them. And then these right here are right here. So there's some that I'm going to give them. And it was so nice. And here is some Christmas ones. Let's see. And they do come with the envelopes. And this was November of 2018. So it was just this one. And I love that this year they really stepped it up, and they put a little extra on the envelope. So here is one of the Christmas cards. They had it long ways, but I like opening it this way, so I changed it up a little bit. It's your card, so do what you want. So that's cute. So there's those. That one had 10 in it for this one. And here are these. And I don't know if I'm going fast enough, but there are layers after layers after layers. I do use my glue gun, Charlie. If you're new, this is Charlie, my glue gun, because he burns me and I say, ouch, Charlie, that hurt. But anyway, so I think a lot of you know that. But while I was gone for 6 months hanging out with the new grandson, I got like 400 new subbies. So hi guys, I'm so happy to see you. So here's some more cards. And I'm rushing because I hate taking everyone's time. And if you know me, you know I'm like always apologizing because I'm taking time. So this is the next set of cards. And it was just so nice. What can I do? A little extra for those ladies. And that's what the cards look like this time. Or the envelopes, I should say. And this one was August of 2018. And I'm like, oh, what can I do? A little extra with those ladies and let them know I'm coming into the neighborhood, because we're almost done with the cabin. Johnny tried so hard to get the cabin ready while I was gone for 6 weeks. We need to put the floor in and the kitchen cabinets. We already have the appliances in the house, so we're very close to moving in. So anyway, here's another card, and I don't know if you can see the vellum layers here and pop dots and string and everything. So there's that. I could read to you what it says, but you know, I'm trying to rush. Let me just slow down. Woosah. But if you put me on 2-speed. You can hear me talk real fast. But anyway, so I guess y'all can tell I haven't changed. So anyway, here's the vellum. Thinking of you is what that says, and the string and everything. And everything came. The stamps comes. The you get to keep the stamps, and then the kit. There's always ink and stamps that you get to keep. And you know, if you're making 10 cards and the stamps and everything, it's really worth your money. So I'm glad I did it. Let's see what the next kit is. And this is going to be February of 2018. These were 3 different ones. They were really 3 ones to choose from. So let's see, you had Friend, Celebrate, and Thinking of You. And they even gave extra stickers to put, and this is the envelope, but they even give extra stickers to put on your envelope. So that was nice. And let's see, the Thinking of You. And I went ahead and inked the edges because I wanted you to see that other sheet of paper that went on top. And the vellum, and then there's little vellum pieces here and string and everything. So that was nice. And then the Friend is almost like it, and the stamps. I'll open up the next box and show you what the stamps are. Usually about the size of this. And there's like 10 of them. And then Celebrate and everything. So yeah, there's quite a few layers. So that was fun to make and quite easy because everything's right there. And you know, Misty and other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators show you how to put it together. So if you don't want to read the directions and everything that comes with it, you can watch a video. This is for December 2017. And so here is the directions, and it's quite simple. You know, it shows pictures, and here is the ink that you always get a different color that coordinates, and here is about the size of the stamp section, and sometimes there's more than this. This is kind of a little bit lower. You can see that I've used some, trying to get out of that glare and everything. And like, I didn't even use any of the string that they put in it and everything. So, but yeah, and it comes with the pop dots. It comes with the glue. It comes with everything you more or less need. You know, I could take this on vacation and have a craft to do. So, comes with the little envelopes with the little cards. This is really, really pretty glitter paper and everything. And I do, like I say, use my glue gun a lot and tape. And they even give the paper to hide all the stuff in the back. So if you use your glue gun, you see flyaway glue gun threads, just hit it with your heat gun for 2 seconds and it melts them all away. And then this is this card, and see, you can see the makings inside there. I think I'm gonna, since I pulled that apart to show you, I'm gonna glue it down with Charlie. Well, no, there's tape there, and I just didn't need to, I needed to push it down further. But anyway, so there's that one, and it's pop dotted, 3-dimensional. Have a great day and happy birthday. So I think the girls will be able to use these. I think it's a pretty nice little handy gift for emergency situations. I have some more to do. I have like 10 boxes over there that I'm looking at, and I'm like, am I going to make some more today, or am I going to stop and make my own ideas? I haven't watched YouTube in about 6 months, so maybe I'll watch a video or two, and if I've missed something, if y'all are doing a challenge or I missed something, I'm so sorry. And if you're doing a challenge and you want me to know, because I might have enough time to fit it in, just tell me. I'm in such a good mood. Sarah was here today and she put my Christmas tree up. But not only that, I got my Christmas tree ornaments that have been in storage for 5 years. I literally put my Christmas tree up first time in 5 years. And it was my ornaments that's been in storage. I mean, I've been married 34 years, so, you know, you collect beautiful ornaments when you go on travels, or when the kids make stuff, or when someone gives you something really pretty. And I'm like, oh my God, my beautiful Victorian tree. There's a lot of pink in it. And I'm thinking, oh, I'm going to do shabby chic, but half of my ornaments are pink anyway. And it's like, oh my God, I'm just so happy to have my stuff, and I don't want to be materialistic, but it was just nice to see old stuff. But I've been married 34 years, but wait. But I say I'm only 29. The math is not adding up. But anyway, so, yeah, guys, you never know when I'm going to make a video, so go ahead and click that little bell, and when I pop in, you'll know it because you'll get notification. All my links are down below. Glue Gun Chronicles group is still there, and I'm posting, and other people are posting, and I'm so grateful that they are. Yeah, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of something that I pulled off my Christmas tree that I bought when I owned Victorian Dreams, the gift shop. See, Sarah's 25, so it was 23 years ago. And these were ornaments, and I'm going to take it apart and make it, and make a tutorial to show you how. Yep. This is made out of paper, heavy cardstock, and I will get the template, and out of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, I'm sure we can do this, and I'll give you measurements, and we will go from there. So yeah, I've been a little bit Victorian shabby chic for a long time. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. I'm so grateful that you stopped by to say hello, and see you on the flip side. Bye.